Hi, good morning. We are here at our dapog together with Mother Nature. And we are cooking egg with corned beef para sa among paniod to. Social si Mother. Umot kaayo ang corned beef with itlog. Plus, sibuyas o ahos. Sulbad ng paniod to. Ang okra ma. Walay bunga ng okra. So, murag kulang man ang sudan kay daghan ming mangaon. I will check the okra plantation to make sure nga nahurot na ba or naapay na subla. Welcome to our giant okra plantation. Ganyan kami kayaman. Chika lang. Ganahan mo kay kong okra. That's why we are planting okra. See? May nalang nilagaon. Tos no. Patagay. Gulang naman yun. Wala pa man na nagpo ring uba. Sagdi ang gagmay. Lami na pudkan unang gagmay. Kaya dili ta maglisod. Og usap. Basta gagmay dili lisod usapon. Kay masulod ras ba tanan. Gagawin kay Tomoy ni akong okra. Si Father, mo'y gatanom aning okra. Uy, nagtatago pala kayo dyan. Di na magudi makaon ng dagko ka isang tanan. It's too big. I like big, pero gulang naman ako. Di na malatos akong ba. Mahirap palang kumuha ng mga okra. Mga gulang naman yun. Gulang yun yung uban. Flora, manilimaw ka buo. Okay na ni, oy. Tag sa mig okra. And aside from okra, I also have fake lemon. It's a fake lemon. And we also have ginger or luya. That is gingerous to your health. It's the opposite. It's good for your health. So, usara maiyang bunga, atong kuhaon ng bunga. Yes, and we will make a lemonade. Charot. Social lemonade. Okay. Mag-lemonade ming mother. Wala, 5 na laman ka, Bukma.
Muli mong kuha na.
Akong timplahon. Nag-iisa lang talaga si Lemon of all. Wala na ilaing bunga. Ngano ka na siya? Wala ilaing bunga. Hindi siya himunga. Ano siya? Nihit ang iyang bunga. Dira. Ako na siyang i-slice into circles. How to be healthy. Ganyan lang po. Simple lang po ang gagawin natin. Para pagtapos ng kumain, pag humanagkaon, inom din tag fake lemon. Fake lemon juice. So atong hugasan ng ato ang fake lemon juice. Dito sa atong mahalon nga banggera. Dito sa atong mahalon nga hugasan. See? Kaluoy sa sarap ka buok. Para malinis po, hugasan po ng maayos. Pagkatapos, we will get a knife. Yan. a very sharp knife. Pakikuha kong tatarandong. Tataran. And of course, a small plate para dyan natin ilalagay after slicing the fake lemon. Ano kung nakukang tataran ka ang gamay? And we are using the giant tagtaran. Giant tagtaran for our fake lemon. Wala pa na hinog ng fake. Sa man ito? Gulang na ba yan? Kuha ito sa kutsilyo do. Tabay. Kuha ito sa kutsilyo katong...
Di mo pa iluhon pa na.
Di lagi ni mo yelo kay fake lemon. Di na siya mo yelo kay fake lemon. Hello? Hilaw pa man di ay ni. Pilang bunga ni. This is how to slice a fake lemon juice for a healthy lifestyle. It smells good. It belongs to the citrus family, like dalanghita, calamansi. But this is another variety. This is what we call fake lemon. Lemon mo gud ni fake lang. Aha. Mga layon ko nimo do katong yelo na ko nga baso. Kuha ko ko ando. My assistant is chef cook. Alay ko kutsara do kay. Ug katong turmeric. Yeah, we will drink turmeric for healthy lifestyle. Katong turmeric na ko do. Over there, murag na pa na subla. I've been planning for this experimentation for quite some times. But I'm waiting for so long for this fake lemon to get older because you cannot pick it up if it's too young. It should be at the right age, at the right time, before you will pick it up and slice it, and together with your turmeric yamang bouquet. So you need to slice it carefully up to the last circle. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices of fake lemon. Kindly get the thermos. The very expensive thermos. Okay. So the next thing that we're going to do is put some hot water. Make sure that it's hot. And this is how to stay healthy and blooming. That's my secret in life. So, a spoon of turmeric yamang bouquet. It's a 10-in-1 instant herbal tea. And I tell you, it's very healthy because it's a tea. Not a tea. So, a big scoop. Yeah. A big scoop. Another small. A big scoop and half. You need to stir it out. You need to stir it para mag-mix po sila. And after, you will get 2 slices of your fake lemon and put it inside. Yes, that's how you're going to do it. Then wait until it's lukewarm so that you can drink it. It smells good and healthy. The food is ready for the family. And a canned sodas. Anapay usa. These are my nieces. My nieces. My twos. My nieces. My assistant for today for the demonstration of fake lemon. So we also have
Silly.
Chile
Chili.
from Chile. And this is, what's nama?
This is
Lechon.
lechon.
That is a lechon from our neighborhood from Cumbira. Ah, ito ko sa ginani. Pagpaglaipit, Silby. Kaya itong ihulom ni para ma-appeal mo ka-healthy. Oh, pero ayaw ng kuan, bugnaw.
May color pink.
Ayan, bugnaw. Yeah. You need to use warm water.
Pink. Warm mo honey.
Wala, gamay ra. Tumara kay gamay ra may nabilin.
Drink water.
I drink bugnaw tubig healthy.
Okay.
Oh, my dear.
So, ready na ni after eating or it's up to you. Much better if you will drink this before eating or after eating. I don't know what's the proper procedure. Basta mainom ra gyud ko. Igo na lagi.
Nang kung healthy tubig. Bugnaw.
Kuan. Pag ato siyang giatak diha.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Muna atong imnon.
5 size. Ulo ka po.
So, healthy na ta. We are healthy already.
Ulrida.
Okay, so our food is ready. So we will eat together. So for the meantime, bye everybody. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure to stay healthy by drinking citrus family like fake lemon. Because it can help boost your immune system. Alright, so say bye-bye to our subscribers. Bye-bye and thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.